I don't like this green one. He's got money hands. He's a city boy. Okay, let's go to the boat, lads. But I don't see any boat. Oh, all you've got to do is look down there. There she is. Me hat, me boat. What? That is not a boat, that is a dumpster. I came into this country on one of those babies. Well, that's the best option you're gonna get. There's no other boat here. But what about those gringos over there?
Oh.
Nope, just me now. Come on, lads. You've got a shark to catch. Okay. All right, hop on and let's go. Oh, farewell and adieu to your fair Spanish daughter. I'm not Spanish. We've been out on this boat for 10 hours, man. Haven't seen a shark. Aye, we're going to have to use the special gamer bait to get the shark. Joeshi, start chumming. Okay.
He just picks up.
All right, now keep your eyes out, lads. We gotta find that shark. You better save some of those Diablos burritos for me. What is it, Joeshi? What do you see? Bless me bagpipes. Shark off the stand. Oh, my gringos. What are we going to do? That shark is big now. That better be a lot of pesos. Don't worry, lads. We'll get him. Mr. Tails, get to the wheel. Aye, aye, Capitan. Let me grab this thing. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Off we go!
His tail's not even. The shark's tail's not even like moving while he's swimming.
Wow, this thing is crazy, man! It's the thrill of a lifetime! Watch out! He's right in front of us! Yeah! Burrito! Wow! That hurt. This thing needs to stop. Oh, I'm going to throw up all of those enchiladas. Oh. Okay. Well, lads, looks like we're in a pickle. Oh, I do not like pickles. Shut up. We have a bigger problem on our hands. We're going to sink in a couple hours. There's got to be something we can do. Oh, come on, man. I don't want to die at sea. I did not float to America just to be deported. Well, the only other option we've got, lads, is the shark cage. And we're going to need someone to go in it. Joeshi, are you ready to prove your worth? Okay.
Okay. So brave.
Alright, I don't have a shark cage, but this'll do. Now get in there!
He's a shark cage, but he puts him in a shopping cart. I don't have a shark cage, so what's the best? Just a shopping cart. It's so stupid. Oh shit.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that didn't work.
Well, that didn't work. Yeah, you didn't give him a weapon. You just put him in the. You just put him in the. You just put him in the shopping cart without a harpoon or something.
Tails, I'm
The shark's literally me when I'm watching this. He's just wheezing and I'm wheezing as well.
slapping. I'm slapping a lot. Help me. Donkey, what are you doing? Wow. Tails, what's the request? Get his hands off me, Donkey. Yes! Oh, you wanna fight? No! Help me! Oh, yeah!
Oh, there goes Shrek.
Poor Senor Shrek.
Oh, Yoshi's still alive.
Oh, Joeshi, you're okay, but we're still screwed. Well, what are we going to do, Joeshi? He's going to get us!
Spin it around.
Joeshi, help me. Joeshi, get me out of here.
Oh,
Swear.
oh yeah.
Joeshi, aren't you supposed to be killing the shark? I am killing the shark. Oh, not the boat!
You just look at him.
Aiyah! Oh, great, we're stranded at sea. Oh no, this is it, Ringo! We're going to die!
Hey,
Oh.
I told you to have that Taco Bell ready hours ago, Tails. What are you doing? Douche.
Douche.
Oh, Sonic, there you are! I'm so happy to see you!
You can hear him laugh.
Not really. Let's go!
Yeah, we better get out of here before people ask him when the next Sonic Zombies is, even though he hasn't done it in years. He's retiring, but you don't read Twitter.
Bye, Joshi!
And you leave Joshi in the middle of Yoshi.
Okay.
Okay.